Ebi byabaho mu rushitamo rw'akakiiko k'ebyamagara omu ntebe y'ekanisa z'okubaga iteeka oku abantu baine kutwazamu enshonga y'amaarwa.
Before you come in, there is a
Ripoti egi hoona yaba neyoreka ngu amaarwa gongiza obutabanguko omu maka.
Iteeka libabaga litangaza nti omuntu yenna ayambadde uniform takkirizibwa kunywa mwenge. Ne police standing orders nazo zikyogerako titusobola kwegatta mu nge nga twambadde uniform. Naye ate tugamba nti oli yenna atunza ateeka omwenge n'agutunza wa police ayambadde uniform naye abamenye etteeka kyetubadde twagala nti naawe kitegeere eno tubadde tukirina nti gwe oyambadde uniform tosobola tegenda mu bbaala n'onywa mwenge. Naye ate tugamba n'oli naye agutunza n'ayambadde uniform aba akoze ki amenye etteeka kyekyo ekiteeso kitwese.
If you have committed a crime,
Abanyeishengyero bahakanisa ripoti ya polisi ngu teine bujulizi burukumara kworeka ngu amaarwa nigo gongiza obutabanguko omu maka.
So when you take alcohol at home and you are stressed, maybe because you have some home issues, you end up becoming even much more violent than when you drink from bars. And as my colleagues have mentioned, when you take alcohol home, the children will access. Children can access anything sweet, sour, or bitter. Unless if they notice a drug, they will not take. But when they notice a beer, whether it is sweet, whether it is sour, they will take, they will taste, and they will keep on tasting until when they become addicted.
In your own observation, wouldn't it be unfair? First of all, unfairly, that would be unfair trade because you're exempting some and closing out some. We are saying bars close at this time, but hotels keep open. So that is unfair.
Ekiragiro nteko kore ekiragiro ekirayambe ekirayanguhe kukiteko mu nkora. Mbwenu wagiro oti netwenda futa hisha hazo kunyweramu amaarwa na no kureka. Hati ntwebuza omunsi ensike hindukire karuho abantu abakora ihangwe bakahumura ekiro rire bakaza kunywa kandi karuho abantu abakoranye ekiro bakahumura ihangwe ensi hatkana kwehindukire mbwenu hatabuwaza kubakorera ki.
Chairman w'akakiiko aka yagira ngu polisi egenderete statistics ezikworeka ngu bashomera Eishengyero bishikire.
IGP, when you look at this bill and your submission, majority of the colleagues have talked about it. Could you give us this aggregated statistics compiled by Uganda Police on the road carnages, the casual factors being excessive consumption of alcohol, as you have insinuated here, and also on domestic violence? I think majority of my colleagues hinted on it, Honorable Mwichuche, Honorable Gafan, majority of them here.
Akakiiko nikija kutwara ripoti egi omu Eishengyero. Gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.